Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the second lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 3rd, lesson number 2, Windows. Start menu. Dear students, in Windows, a list of commands is called a menu. Move the mouse pointer on the Start button and click left mouse button. You will see a menu. It is called the Start menu. Dear students, if you place the mouse pointer on an item on the Start menu, that item will be highlighted. It will appear with a colored band over it. Submenu. Dear students, look at the Start menu carefully. Some items on it have small right arrows. Place the mouse pointer on one such item. That item will be highlighted and you will see another menu. This menu is called submenu. Dear students, place the mouse pointer on all programs. You will see a submenu. It shows a list of all programs and program folders on your computer. To open a program, click on that program name. Dear students, if you click on a folder, it will expand and show you another list of programs in it. For example, if you click on Accessories folder, it will expand to show you that list of programs stored in it. Now we will see the procedure of shutting down Windows. Dear students, to shut down Windows, place the mouse pointer on the Start button on the taskbar and click the left mouse button. You will see the Start menu. Click on Shutdown to switch off the computer. So my dear students, in this video we have learned about Start menu, sub menu and how to shut down Windows. So watch the video carefully to understand the lesson.